So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to sell tickets on Viagogo. So first, for you to able to do this, you just have to access their website via viagogo.com. So in this case, I am using the Google Chrome, but you could also use another search engine based on your preference. So once you access their website, you just have to navigate above the section in here on the top right corner. Just have to click on the sell and click on the sell tickets. Once you click on that, you will redirect to this page, which is you are going to utilize the search bar for you to able to search for an event and start selling. Like for example, the concert. After searching a concert, click on the concert tickets and a bunch of options will pop up on your screen. Like this one on the events, there are much options right here, including the date as well as the states or the place, and then you could sell tickets. Also, under the parking and the VIP, and you could also sort it by date. So that's how you sell tickets on Viagogo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.